In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create stage in Freshsales. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account and you are looking at the main dashboard. Creating a stage happens inside your pipeline settings, so you will be working in the admin area rather than inside an individual deal. First, go to the left-hand sidebar and click the Admin Settings option. It is the gear icon, and it is where you manage system-wide settings like pipelines, fields, and workflow options. Once you are in Admin Settings, look for the section labeled Deals and Pipelines. Enter that area and then select Pipelines. This is where Freshsales lets you view and manage the pipelines your team uses to track deals from early conversations all the way to closing. Next, find the pipeline you want to update. If your account has multiple pipelines, take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one, since stages are added to a specific pipeline. When you have the right pipeline, click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil, next to that pipeline. This opens the pipeline editor so you can change the order of stages, add new ones, or adjust how your process is structured. Now scroll down until you reach the Stages section. This is the area that lists each stage in your pipeline, usually in the order your deals move through. At the bottom of the stage list, click Add Stage. A new stage entry will appear, ready for you to fill in. Enter a clear stage name that matches your sales process. Use wording that your whole team will recognize, since it will show up everywhere deals are tracked and reported. Then set the win probability percentage. This number should reflect how likely a deal is to close successfully once it reaches this stage, and it can help improve forecasting and reporting accuracy. After that, choose the type for the stage: open, won, or lost. Most stages will be open, while won and lost are typically reserved for the final outcomes at the end of your pipeline. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Once saved, the new stage will be available for deals in that pipeline, and your team can start using it right away. That covers everything you need to know.